At every big weekend here at Gordon's Well and the Imperial Sand Dunes or the Glamis Sand Dunes, there's drag racing. As soon as the sun starts going down, everybody heads over the hill, one section of the sand highway here at the very end, and we drag race until there's no more light. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this car, the Desert Dynamics Corvette Sandrail. This has an LS3 in it. I just fixed a bunch of issues and it's been running really awesome. So we're gonna go and watch some drag racing and do some drag racing.
These first clips are from day one racing my dad. That's his Tatum pre-runner. It's like 1,700 horsepower. It's ridiculously fast.
Yeah. We got a little airborne there. I'm ready. There he goes. I have no idea, but we were cruising real good there. That was pretty fast. So that's like a VW base chassis, right? And it's got a Subaru engine in it. All right, Dad, you got to get it way up in the air this time. Woo! I can't pop a wheelie in this car, unfortunately. This one's just not quite powerful enough. Getting a little too dark. It's getting a little sketchy for a lot of people.
Now we're on to day two. It's just me out here. My dad didn't come out, so let's see how well I do against some other cars.
So it started getting a little hot there. The coolant temp gauge is up to like above 180. It was like 195, but really that's more like 210 or more. This fan wasn't kicking on. I just kind of traced the wiring back, and the connector down here was loose. I wiggled it and it kicked back on. So I probably need to redo the connections for the cooling fans, because they're not holding up too well.
While I let the car cool off and take a break, I watched some of the drags here. It was kind of at the end of the day, so it wasn't quite as exciting. A lot of the fun cars were already gone. But there were some cool side-by-sides ripping through.
Sun's going down, so it's time to go back to camp. We got some good fun runs in there, and well, I fixed the overheating issue at the end, but it doesn't matter. Not enough sunlight now. So let's go ahead and cruise on back.